Yeah, they got some nice trucks here at MDS. All Peterbuits. All got APUs, refrigerators, power inverters on them. All beautiful Peterbilts. MDS, Morristown, Tennessee. This is my new home right here. My new home. One-day orientation. They got drive-in, reefer, flatbed, hot shot, Thermo Kings. All the trucks got APUs on them. Tri-packs. Yep. Hopefully we'll be able to call this home. They pay extra if you do reefer loads. They pay extra for everything. If your APU goes down, they'll put you in a hotel until they can get it fixed. Not a bad company. 401k, health insurance, dental vision, life insurance. You can go home every week with this company.